John, my question is to you. भारत के रेस्क्यू स्पोर्ट्स को हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा promote, and I really appreciate your support, and we will always look forward to this sort of support. I know there have been a little bit of problems and bit of management issues, but as we didn't have enough time in hand, so we couldn't make it. But I will assure you that 100% everything will be taken care and sorted for your progress. As you all expected and as I expected, things will be the same.
I'm going to get you right there, Akilesh. October race? What October race? We need to know more about it.
So October we have the season 5 round, and we're going to do both the categories, women racing league and also the Formula 4. And hopefully we are in discussion with the FIA if possible, and we will be doing the Formula 3 as well.
Fantastic. That is such great news for motorsports in India. And kudos to Goa, kudos to the Indian Racing Festival for making this happen. Of course, none of them need any introduction, so I'm going to go right to it. I'd like to ask each of the team owners.
Before that, I would like to clarify one thing. We have all seen that in a small fire accident, but that is nothing major. The fire didn't reach near to the lounges. It has always been 700 meters far away, as we have kept this in mind before we are starting the event. So we have cleared the whole space, we have made the soil piles over there. So the lounges, everybody is safe and it is clean. It's quite far from lounges, so there have been no stuff. And you know, with this hot summer and then this season it happens, and especially Goa in this region it is very common. But the venue has not affected in any way. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for supporting the sport. So it's great to see all of you here. And Kiccha, Naga, Sourav, having fantastic owners for the team, lovely human beings, great gentlemen, also helps the sport a lot because their support system matters a lot. So thank you to all of you for being here and for supporting this. This is fantastic. This is my home race, which is why I picked up the mic first. My home race, we did well yesterday. We hope to do well today. We'll see later on in the evening, that's in another 40 minutes now.
Yeah.
40 minutes, 20 minutes. And so how they're going to perform, but we're really hopeful. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the sport.
So lucky to see everyone again. I was there in Chennai last year. First time, this is probably the first week that we did. This is the first week that you know, I've seen both sides of the sport playing and then the organizers. And I must thank everyone organizing year after year. It's not easy organizing such a big event and so peaceful. I saw that in Chennai as well. You know, we organize pretty much in the stadiums, which are dedicated areas. But to come into a city and create such an infrastructure and try and make something happen is absolutely special. I met the team, the young drivers. For me, sport is about opportunity. The opportunity to give to young boys and girls now to fulfill what they want. You know, when I was 18, 19, or even younger, you know, getting to play cricket was the best thing of my life. So I thank everyone involved, all the owners, and especially the man in the middle, for creating something. And this is absolutely our passion. You know, we talk about cricket in India, but I've been a part of ISL and I'm still a part of ISL. But to create such infrastructure, this is more of a passion, and I'm sure all of you will enjoy it. The motorsport around the world is a big sport, but it's a very young sport in India, and I'm sure with the support of the team, this will become with bigger race to come. It needs a bit of patience, it needs a bit of support, and I see all of you here who turned up in such big numbers to support them. It's not just supporting the tournament, but supporting the aspirations of young boys and girls who are in the paddock preparing to actually speed through. For me, it's too quick, because by the time you turn your right from right to the left, the car's gone. So I said to the young drivers, you know, the best thing about Kolkata is it's got that gold color. So I recognize that the gold is going around the circuit rather than trying to follow the gold wall. John was a bit more attached to it. He's a biker, and I see him all around with his bike. So thank you so much for getting out us involved. I hope you have a good day here in Goa. It's a great city to meet. One of the best cities probably in India. said on my list that, you love coming to Goa. We don't get to come to Goa as often because it's a bit far from Calcutta, but it's a great place to be in, and I wish all these young competitors all the very best. I hope they compete well and be safe at the end of the day.
So happy to be here. I keep saying Goa. Goa is like my second home. I love Goa. Any excuse I get, I'm here. So it's like a magical moment for me to see street race happen here. And for the first time, racing happen on the streets of Goa. I think street races are so much more exciting because they take the action closer to the people. The adrenaline is so much more well felt. So I'd like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, and the government of Goa for making it happen. And of course, Akhilesh, whose dream, without his efforts, none of this would have happened, bringing racing so close and giving so much exposure to racing as a sport in India. And not only that, there is so much talent over here in the Indian drivers. They're getting this opportunity, they're getting this racing time to prove themselves and keep growing. So all in all, me being a motorsport enthusiast and also the owner of Hyderabad, so it's an amazing moment for me. They pulled off the Chennai Street Race so well, and next Mumbai is coming up. So all in all, the league is growing. I've been part of the league from the very first year. So it's growing, and also it's such an honor to be a part of all the other team owners over here, be with them, Ganguly sir, John sir, Kiccha sir, and they are it's really nice. Everyone's so passionate about the sport. I keep seeing them here in the pit, talking to the drivers, and completely in tune with everything that's happening. So all in all, thank you all so much. Hope you have a great time. Go forward, yeah.
Double act.
Shall see people?
It's always painful. Hi, good afternoon everybody. Thank you for being here. I can say what's happening at the pit because luckily for me I've had 3 opportunities to be with the team, to interact with them, and it's wonderful to see such young minds and some young talents be around them and encourage them. So I've had a great experience with the team members, and I'm hoping to see a really exciting evening coming up ahead for us. Anything you'd like to say?
Hello everyone. Looking forward to all the friends over here. This is new to me. The sport is new to me. And of course, we all love cars, speed. But then I guess to our products, at least to me, to be outside our cinema, hear the sound and light, experience is something that I'm enjoying. Coming back to the team, I guess, again, this is new. She's been more active with this, and that was not such a damage thing, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I have never heard of any racing activities happening much over here, and Akhilesh bringing it here, creating another atmosphere for all of us. I think Akhilesh, thank you so much, and also happy wedding anniversary today. So yeah, I stand on that side of the table, Sourav sir, apart from the sport we are here, we are a great fan of yours, and today I'm sure it's a great day for you too. So being a part of this particular time, Naga, John sir, this has been Akhilesh's effort to bring all of us also together, I think, apart from just being active in our profession. Sports, on the other hand, on the other side, it holds a very vital role in all of our life and races. Akhilesh has brought us so close to the circuit. We have seen some races definitely in the television, but not been so close. This is something new, as I rightfully said, I'm thoroughly enjoying, and as everybody is saying, this should grow, the sport will grow, and may it become as big as possible, and witnessing the sound itself is something that is from it. That is kind of the biggest high I'm going through right now. Yeah, thank you Akhilesh for doing it. Thank you all of you for being here. Thanks.
India is growing with motorcycles and make a worry about that. That's particularly why I'm here, because I love that the league is so gender neutral. And I've been assured by Akhilesh that we will encourage a lot more young girls, women on the team. I hope they have facilities for so many people. I'm fine for that. I'm extremely proud that I'm also the only one sitting here now. But I'm really happy about that.
And going to the grassroots, as John has focused at grassroots so thankfully, Central government has changed and considered the motorsport as a sport in 2019. Before 2019 it was a referendum, but now even the motorsport is a sport. But of course, we need a lot of support from the media, from the government and all the concerns to increase the awareness and to create an ecosystem in this. And we are definitely working towards building the ecosystem by giving the internship to the engineers, and some of them are placed already in a good spot in the airport and also with the College Academy and other spots. So we are working towards it, and the main motto and the agenda of doing the street circuit is that people would know that the sport exists, and at least out of curiosity, if not out of interest, they will come watch it, and once they watch it, they will gain the interest and they will definitely turn into the fans. And this will create organic fan will always create the ecosystem and generate the path for the younger generation.
अभी तो ये सौरभ को भी पता है और हम सबको यहाँ पे पता है कि क्रिकेट इज द मोस्ट डोमिनेंट स्पोर्ट, तो बढ़ावा देना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई लुक एट इट वेरी पॉजिटिवली. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि जैसे गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने हमें सपोर्ट किया, हैदराबाद की गवर्नमेंट ने हमें सपोर्ट किया, नवी मुंबई की गवर्नमेंट हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है, चेन्नई की गवर्नमेंट ने हमें सपोर्ट किया. आई थिंक विद गवर्नमेंट सपोर्टिंग अस, फ्यूचर है इसका. टाइम लगेगा, नथिंग Rome wasn't built in a day. टाइम लगेगा, but it will definitely happen. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज which I'm sure everybody on this panel agrees, grassroots सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है हर स्पोर्ट के लिए. You need young stars out of India, और वो young stars यहीं से शुरू होते हैं. So we must give it time and we must get your support from the media perspective and from the audience perspective. So I plan to start an academy for primarily, actually, to be honest, for motorcycles at this point of time. And we are planning to look at government support wherever we get it. Beggars can be choosers. So whenever we get support, we'll go for it and we'll take it.
I'd like to thank CM Sourav and then all the concerned departments, whether it be the PWD, ESG, police, everyone, and especially the local media who has given us tremendous support by giving our, putting the racing page, giving a push from the social media, print media, everything. I'm really thankful for that, and genuinely thanks a lot for the local media, especially when you have pushed the event a lot. And thanks to all the media friends over here. And thank you to Goa locals, and thank you to